Hi guys, welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, and for today, I will be teaching you the Chevron technique in polymer clay. But before that, I do hope you consider subscribing to the Craft Time Studio. It really helps my channel a lot if you drop a comment or give it a like to enjoy more free videos like this. The chevron pattern is often confused with the herringbone, but here's the difference. The herringbone is made up of rectangles of equal sizes, while the chevron pattern is a pattern of inverted V's. I actually made the herringbone pattern a couple of videos back, and I'm putting a link above in case you want to visit that video. For materials, you will need polymer clay of contrasting colors. For tools, you will need a tissue blade, a pasta roller, and a manual roller. So first, let us roll out our clay. For each color, we want a thicker slab and a thinner slab. Let's first roll out our main slab into the number 4 setting. Then, for our accent slab, roll it out into the number 4 setting. And then the other one should be in the number 3 setting. Make sure that both slabs are about the same size. The same should be done with the navy blue clay. There should be one part rolled out into the number 4 setting . And one in the number 3 setting. Make sure that the white and blue slabs are about the same size. Match the white slab rolled out into the number 4 setting with the blue slab rolled out into the number 3 setting, and vice versa. And then, roll out the remaining blue clay into the number 4 setting. This will be a sort of vein or bone between my slanted lines. Now we will cut the stacked clay into thin strips using our tissue blade. This will result into stripes. Now that I have two sets, I use my manual roller to gently roll these out so that the lines stick to each other. Once they are about equal in size, I get another tissue blade and lay it across my flattened slab in a slightly diagonal direction. I cut out all the excess clay and then I cut my stripes in half. I do the same with the other flattened slab. Then, I get the blue slab that I set aside and cut strips that are about a centimeter in width. Then, I lay out the slab and the strip in alternating patterns. As you can tell, the stripes look very organic. This was intentional because I wanted my chevron pattern to have a Scandinavian feel to it. Finally, I neaten out the edges and then carefully roll out everything with my manual roller. And then you can just choose whichever cutter that you want to use for this chevron pattern. I really love the simplicity of this slab. When I turned them into earrings, I used plain clay to match with the chevron pattern so that I could come out with different designs. I usually post on Saturdays, but I'm thinking that for the rest of the foreseeable future, my posts would most likely be on a Sunday. I hope that you liked this simple tutorial. If you haven't yet, please do consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio. Thanks and have a crafty weekend. Bye!